Disregard, my name is Juan Dueñas. This will present step 2 of the activity. If you could have an hope in the world, what hope would it be? You would link to be and grant agronomy for the world tax in the current on in the fight and to obtain the connecting of the patient. What your last hope and hope important what is to you. Mike Locke's hope was to be a public servant and the Colon Agricultural Institute and it was very important to, to the experience received by the entity since the work you carried out was to inspect different pests and diseases of crops in the region. Thank you.